It's time for Kurude Shasha, yes!
Today we're gonna do unboxing. Look, Sean, we got a new delivery. Let's see what's inside. Can you open it? Let's open the box. We need the scissors. Shall I help? All right, let's see what's in there. Now, Chef Sean, remember you ordered for a raffle basket.
What's the basket?
That's right. Let's see what we got in here. Some new spring products. And Chef Sean has a party going on right now. A flash party for Easter. Say Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter, okay.
Happy
Easter, yes, okay.
Very nice. All right, we're opening up the box. See what we got in here. All right, let's start taking them out, Chef Sean. What do we got? A serving spoon. And this is one of the new products. It's a level and funnel scoop. So you can level it and then funnel it into, pour it. Some microwave grips. Maybe if you have a party, Chef Sean will give you some special prizes.
Okay.
That's right. Little scrubber.
Scrubber.
Cleaning brush. All right, now here comes some of the good stuff. This is the Easy Clean kitchen brush here. You want to open that, Chef Sean? We'll start opening stuff up. Go ahead, let's take a look. To make cleaning out your pots and pans super easy.
It's time again.
Pull it.
Put it
There we go.
Oh. Put it. Pig.
Is it? There we go. Scrub brush. That looks nice and clean, huh? Look at that. We can wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Nice. All right, what do we have here? Oh, I think this is a gift for somebody. Sweet onion sauce. Who likes sweet onion sauce?
So, okay. Connor.
Shh, it's a secret. So we'll save that, okay? We'll save that aside. That's for your brother. Hold on. All right, now here's the stuff for the basket. This is one of the insulated serving bowls. So it's the insulated serving bowl set. The spoon goes with it. This is all going into the raffle basket. Chef Sean picked out, it's a spring entertaining basket. This is another serving bowl. So this is 3 different sizes. This is a 2.5 quart. This is a 1 quart. I'll show you them. We'll show you them already open. And the cookbook. Put it up on the pile. There we go. Savory maple seasoning. That's right. We have, the garlic prep tool. This is a new one. You want to open that up, Chef Sean? Open up that box. And then we have the insulated pitcher. We are going to open that. And another spoon. So there's 2 spoons, 1 for each bowl. And the insulated pitcher. And the cookbook that is going in the basket. So let's show them the insulated bowls, Chef Sean. So we have some. They're over here. They are beautiful, white, with a nice silver inside, right?
Toy.
That's right, silver inside, white on the outside.
We
have the three sizes. This comes with 2, the 1 quart and the 2.5 quart. It doesn't come with the larger size, but I believe it's these 2. And the lids fit right on top nicely. And when you're serving, show them how they go when you're serving. Ready? Pick it up. And put it on. Just like that. How about that? That's right. So when you're serving, the lid's right there. It doesn't get lost. And it looks nice. They also stack. No, put them back in. Put that one inside. Put this one inside here. That's right. And then this one goes inside there. So when we store them, right? We can store them inside. Now what I typically do is I'll take the larger, and I put it on my counter because it looks so nice. The larger ones outside, and then I put the cover on the inside one. And I store it in the corner of my stove there. So that's what we do. Let's take a look at the picture. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope I win the raffle basket. Thank you for donating it, Chef Sean, because I know that fundraiser, this is gonna help raise a lot of money for that fundraiser, for that charity. I'm gonna buy a raffle ticket because I'm super excited about this. Pampered Chef used to have one of these, remember? Oh, is that gorgeous? Look at that. Now I don't want to take the plastic off. I just wanted to, all right, maybe a little bit. We'll try to hold on to it so we don't get our fingerprints on it. Look at that. And it's got the spout that opens so easily. That's right. Oh, that is beautiful. Somebody is gonna be lucky. Maybe I'll get this for Mother's Day. What do you think, Chef Sean? Maybe? Maybe?
Yep, okay.
Okay, it's a hint.
Yep, okay.
All right, can you put it back in the box, please? We'll save it for the, we'll make this raffle basket super nice. So like I said, Chef Sean has a party right now. It's a flash party for Easter. You go to his website, right? pamperedchef.com
Come.
/PWS/Sean Sullivan. That's right. And then you can shop his party. Until next time, everybody, say,
Hi,
say,
enjoy.
see you later.
Enjoy.
Tell them.
See you later, okay. Enjoy. La la la. Enjoy.